Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Iris from Iris Impressions Art. I am an artist, teacher, vlogger, podcaster. In this video, I am going to flip through this little art journal. This art journal is an A5 sketchbook from Cass Art, which is a UK-based art supply shop, and they do their own range of sketchbooks. It's very similar actually to the Sea White of Brighton sketchbook, similar in terms of size, paper, and number of pages. This flip through is going to be simply me paging through the journal, and it's going to be set to music. Obviously, if you want to pause the video at any point, you can. And most of these artworks will also be up on my Instagram if you want to have a look in more detail. If you are interested in hearing me chat through in a chatty version of this video what supplies I used, what my techniques were, what I was feeling when I was making all of these different art journal pages, then please head on over to my Patreon, because the chatty version of this video will be up there, and you can find the link in the description below. As I go through this, you will probably see that there's a lot of artwork in here that is very ranging in styles. Between the period of 2021-2023, I really changed my style and experimented a lot, and that's what you're going to see in here. I hope that you enjoy the flip through. I hope you find it inspiring. Please post any questions below. I'll be very happy to chat art journals, art supplies, and techniques with you in the comments. Alright, thanks very much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and let's get into the flip through.